Hey beauties, it's Nikea here. I'm back with another packing video. Yes, another one. I haven't even left for Mexico yet. I posted my first packing video like 2 weeks ago. I was just super excited about going to Mexico and I wanted to try out and see if everything could fit into a carry-on bag. Which everything I wanted to bring did fit into my carry-on and then my one personal bag that I was going to take on the plane. But just for me, there are some toiletry items that I wanted to bring that it just didn't make sense for me to bring a smaller size, and I just thought it would just be more effective to have a checked bag. So this is another packing video, but this is packing for Mexico or any vacation with a checked bag, and I'm actually sharing my checked bag with my boyfriend. So both of our things for the entire 6 days are in this carry-on luggage, and we each are bringing personal bags onto the airplane. I think we're both bringing 2 personal bags because he has his camera bag, I'll have my personal bag, and then just another like purse-like personal bag. So my backpack and my purse-like personal bag will be what I'm taking on the actual plane with me. And I also thought about it would just be easier to maneuver through the airport without having to lug a suitcase behind me, and we can just check it both ways. And yeah, so I know I was paranoid about traveling out of the country and being concerned about them losing my luggage, but I figured in my personal bags I'll put some items just in case and I'll be fine. So let me show you all what we have in our checked bag. Alright, so everything that I had in my carry-on is actually in here, minus a few items. I took out my long pants and I took out a couple of dresses because, as I told y'all, I overpacked, okay? I did, so I could afford to get rid of some stuff. I probably could still afford to get rid of some stuff, but I like having my options open. So the same things are in here, except for there's one new piece that I got in the midst of packing. I went to Target and they had this dress on sale and I could not pass it up. It was really cute. So it's this little number, it has straps, and there's an upscale restaurant on the resort, and it has a little tie waist on it as well. There's an upscale restaurant on the resort, so I figured that could be an option to wear if we decide to go there. And it goes well with my heels. I think I did change the heels that I'm bringing since my last video. I was gonna bring some wedges, but I decided to bring these black lace-up heels. These are actually very comfortable and they're versatile, so they're gonna go with several options that I have. I got these from Lola's Boutique a few years ago. They're actually a little worse for wear and need to be replaced, but they're gonna do the job now. And my boyfriend, he just has shorts, t-shirts, and his swim trunks, underwear, socks, t-shirts. The one thing that we could not bring is bug spray. My boyfriend is like allergic to mosquitoes. Whenever he gets bitten, it's just terrible. So we have this bullfrog insect repellent and sunscreen, and it works miracles. I used this when I was pregnant every single day, and it has SPF 30 in it. It's DEET free, repels up to 8 hours. So we're gonna be in Mexico, and just reading some people's blogs and stuff like that, they suggested that we have bug spray. So we're bringing that full size. This is my carry-on bag, toiletries. So I just decided to stick that in the suitcase. So my boyfriend is addicted to coconut oil. He uses this as his moisturizer. So he can never find a way to pack it so that it doesn't leak, but I have a solution for that, and I'll show y'all in a second. And I didn't have any smell good to bring with me, so I'm just gonna bring this Central Amber fragrance mist from Bath and Body Works, and that's gonna be in my checked bag. And let me show you all how to pack that coconut oil so that it doesn't spill in your luggage. So this container is pretty secure. We actually brought it with us to New Orleans when we had a check bag. But just for extra security, we have some plastic wrap. So you're just gonna take a square, enough that would fit over this lid, and you're going to place that over the lid, like so. And then you're just going to secure the lid back on. So that way that creates another seal inside of the container. And my boyfriend can have his full container of coconut oil and he can lather himself up for days. So he has these 2 liquid items, rubbing alcohol and his deodorant spray. It's homemade, all natural for him. And I just wanted to put it in the bag just in case the spray wanted to squirt out. So that way it doesn't get on our clothes or anything. And I'm actually gonna put that underneath. Oh, and also in my check bag, these are my liquid makeup items, and I just didn't know like how TSA was going to be, so I just put them in this little cosmetic bag. And in here I have my primers, liquid foundation, BB cream, my face powder, setting powder, concealer, and lash glue. We have our underwear up here, and I think that is everything. Okay, there we go. There's our check bag, and I still put my little Delta Sigma Theta tag up there. That should not be 50 pounds. All right, our check bag is now all sealed up, and this is the bag I'm going to be taking on the plane with me. These are some items that I can wear, like just in case that bag gets delayed, but it's not gonna get delayed. I rebuke it. So in here I have my jewelry, my earrings. This is my makeup bag. So I have 3 palettes in here, mascara and some lip products and some cream concealer, face powder and blush, and my pencil to do my eyebrows. So at least if the makeup items in there get delayed, I have this. My emergency stash of panty liners with some panties in here, some shoes that I will be wearing. I think I have 4 bathing suits in here. Yes, I have my 3 bathing suits from Fashion Nova and that white bikini. And I also found a cover up. I found this at Target. It's white, so it'll just go with everything, or it'll have to. I just could not find any cover ups that I wanted. Oh, I was so upset. And then I have an outfit. I have these green pants, and I have a bodysuit in here that's just like this one, but it is gray. And I'm actually gonna take this bodysuit as well as another option, so that's 2 outfits. Okay, and then I just have like a loungewear outfit. Up front is same as before. I have my glasses and 2 Ziploc bags just in case there is anything wet that I need to travel back with if it doesn't dry in time. And then from Amazon, I bought these waterproof cases for my boyfriend and myself. So it comes like this, and it comes with a little lanyard so you can like wear it around your neck and stuff like that. Keep your phone in it, and it's touchscreen sensitive, so you can keep your phone inside here and actually use the phone. And I figured that'd be smart since I'll probably be around the pool or in the pool all day. That way I can like still have my phone and be on Instagram and, you know, flex on the gram. My headphones are still going in here, my laptop. I am going to bring my camera and extra batteries for my camera. So that's going in there, and that bag is actually not full at all. And then I still have my toiletries bag. I think I did change some things in here. So this is for cleansing myself and my face, my makeup brushes, also some cleansing products, toothbrush, And then some makeup items down here, lashes and lipstick. And a fanny pack. So I figured a fanny pack would be good. It's enough for me to keep my identification, some money, my phone, room key, maybe a snack. And of course I have my outbound outfit, and in the airport, that's what I'm going to wear along with this jacket, jean jacket, just so I can stay warm. And with my Netflix and chill outfit, I'm going to wear these sneakers. And then in my little purse-like bag, it actually matches my luggage. Right now, all I have in here is my shoes. And I'll probably put the toiletries in here and my little bags. But really, that's it. So I have my 2 personal bags with me on the plane. So I really don't feel like I overpacked. So I have my purse, a carry-on, and then we have a shared check bag, which I think is going to be perfect, absolutely enough for what we need. So that is my packing for vacation for Mexico part 2. So now you have options. You can see how I packed with a carry-on and see how I pack with a check bag. Whatever works for you, okay? It's workable. I feel like if I had one of those newer carry-on bags with the 2 sides, I can get busy and do what I need to do. I feel like I'm good to go. I'm so excited, ready to go to Mexico. We leave in less than 24 hours. So this time tomorrow, I will be on my way to Mexico, almost there. I am so excited. So tonight we are going to our friend's house and staying the night with them so that we can ride out to the airport together. So we are super excited. We're kid free for the week. So Harper's with my brother, my friend's dog is at the dog sitter or the kennel or wherever dogs stay when their parents are gone. So we are super excited. We are ready to go. It's gonna be amazing. I'm so excited. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you learned something and I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below, which do you prefer? Do you prefer using a carry-on or do you prefer to check your bag, especially when going out of the country? Anyway, I hope that this helped you. I hope that you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. But before you go, I want you to go down below and click that subscribe button. And right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. Thank you so much for watching, beauties, and I'll be sure to see you in the next one. Bye.